My name is Ian and I'm the author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to show you a really neat feature in Google Docs called pageless formatting and show you three reasons why it's a really cool feature to use. So here is a very long document I have in Google Docs. It's pretty standard. You can see I have breaks here. I have some text. I actually had to zoom this in to 125% so I could just see it a little better. So this is what it would look like if it was normal. Pageless formatting does something where it removes a lot of the stuff that you see on the page. And let's just take a quick look and see what it looks like. Go to File, go to, where is it? Page Setup, and then select Pageless. And you'll see some information here. Headers, footers, columns, and watermarks will not be visible in pageless format. And then just clicked OK. So right away, you can see all of the lines and other stuff that we had there that kind of guided the document and showed how big it is. Those are all gone. The page breaks are all gone. And then also you can do things with the images, which I think is really important. So those are basically the three reasons why I like using pageless formatting. No distractions, no breaks, and then I can make really big images. Either take existing ones and this like kind of blow them out, or I can do something like insert an image and just make it as big as I want. And you're not constrained by the default Google Docs template. Pageless formatting isn't for everybody. If you don't like it, you can just go back to it by going to File, Page Setup, select Pages, and then click OK, and it will go back to what it looked like before. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And also, I am the author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. You can find out more about that book and other titles in the series at in30minutes.com. Thank you so much for watching.